The three-wheel scooters are gaining popularity for their balance, ease of use, and stylish design. Whether for kids learning to ride or adults commuting, the demand has grown rapidly. These scooters offer a safer and more enjoyable ride, especially for beginners. In this guide, we evaluate the best three-wheel scooters based on stability, build quality, design features, and value for money. Perfect for parents. List NAVEE electric scooter for adults GT3. The NAVEE GT3 is a premium electric scooter designed for adults who want a powerful, smooth ride. With a 700-watt peak motor and 500-watt nominal power, it reaches up to 20 miles per hour and can cover an impressive 30-mile range. The dual suspension system offers added comfort, especially for longer commutes. Its three-wheel build adds stability, making it safer than most two-wheel e-scooters. The design is sleek, with intuitive controls and a foldable body for portability. While priced at the higher end, the combination of speed, stability, and long battery life makes it worth every penny for daily riders. If you're serious about urban commuting with a touch of style and reliability, the GT3 is a smart choice. Listen up. Big Fold three-wheel scooter for children, ages 5 to 10. The Big Fold scooter is a top pick for kids ages 5 to 10, combining safety with fun. The LED flashing wheels not only look cool, but also improve visibility during evening rides. Its foldable design makes it easy for parents to carry or store. The sturdy three-wheel structure offers excellent balance, perfect for kids transitioning from beginner to confident riders. The adjustable handlebar grows with your child, adding to its long-term value. What sets it apart is the smooth steering and durable frame that holds up to regular use. The scooter glides well on sidewalks and driveways, and the foot brake ensures quick, safe stops. List number: Winhope Kids Kick Scooter, three-wheel light-up fun. The Winhope Kids Kick Scooter brings both fun and safety for children with its LED light-up wheels and colorful design. Ideal for younger kids ages 3 to 8. This model focuses on balance and ease of use. The three-wheel design and lean-to-steer mechanism help develop coordination and motor skills. The deck is wide and anti-slip, ensuring stable footing, while the T-bar handle is adjustable to grow with your child. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for trips to the park or school. Parents will love the smooth ride and solid construction, while kids will adore the glowing wheels and bright colors. List more. Three-wheel scooter for kids ages 6 to 12. Light Up Adventure, built for older kids 6 to 12 years. This three-wheel scooter combines durability with fun. The standout feature is the sturdy deck, made to handle more weight while remaining comfortable and safe. The LED wheels shine brightly when riding, giving kids a fun, visual experience during motion. With adjustable handlebars and a lean-to-steer system, this scooter encourages balance and agility. The wide rear brake provides reliable stopping power. Parents will appreciate the rugged construction and simple setup, while kids will be drawn to the scooter's glowing wheels and sleek finish. It's a great in-between choice for kids who have outgrown toddler scooters but aren't ready for two-wheelers. List number 5. Gotrax KS1 Kids Kick Scooter. The Gotrax KS1 is a thoughtfully designed scooter for kids aged 3 to 8, offering a balance of safety, functionality, and fun. The lean-to-steer system helps kids build coordination naturally, while the anti-slip deck ensures safe footing. The handlebars are adjustable to 3 heights, allowing the scooter to grow with your child. The LED wheels light up when rolling, making rides more exciting and increasing visibility. It's easy to assemble and lightweight enough for young kids to manage independently. This scooter is a reliable, budget-friendly choice for families looking for an entry-level model with all the key features kids love and parents trust.